Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Xampp with PHP 7 on Windows 10. So the first thing we do is we go to the Xampp page and click here download, and we choose this version with the PHP 7.0. We download this,
A few moments later.
and now that the Xampp is downloaded, we go ahead and click on it, say yes. Okay, we just click OK on this one. Basically just next. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make a new folder on disk C. And I'm gonna call it Xampp. Let's just say Xampp 2. Okay. Next. Now we're gonna have two PHP environments installed in our local disk C.
Two 2,000 years later.
Okay, now we say to allow access on firewall, and it's basically done. Okay, let's say finish, and we start the control panel now. Save English or German, whichever you like. Okay, now whenever we want to work on a project that has and requires PHP 7, we're gonna use this Xampp control panel. We say start. Let's just say yes. Okay, now we go to phpMyAdmin, and we see we have a test database and nothing else. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.